Hey guys, I'm Rishna Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do smoky glitter eye makeup for any special occasions. I will show you very easy and simple steps to achieve this look. And if you are a beginner, then this video is for you. I hope you guys like it. And for my channel support, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And let's start the video. I'm starting with my eyebrow. For this, I'm using Makeup Revolution brow pencil. First, I'll brush my eyebrow with spoolie, and after that, I'm filling my brow with the pencil. Next, I'm going to clean it up with concealer underneath the brow. I'm taking a flat brush from Morphe and concealer from Revlon, applying it all over my lid. Next, I am dabbing some setting powder on my eyelid to seal the concealer. For this, I am using Laura Mercier powder and powder brush from Morphe. Next, I am putting a regular tape on my outer eyelid for sharp edge. Next, I am going with the shade Chunky Coffee from the Morphe X AVANI GREGG palette. So I am going to blend this all over in my crease, going from inner corner to outer corner, and blended it in the outer V, and then I started blending it more towards the crease area as well as, but I mainly focused first at the outer end, and the brush I am using right now is a Morphe blending brush. Next, I am applying shimmery orange shade from Makeup Revolution on my inner corner to mid-lid, and the brush I am using right now is a flat brush from Morphe. Next, I am applying dyed glitter shade from my inner corner to mid-lid. For this, I am using Morphe X AVANI GREGG palette. I am dabbing the glitter with my finger. Next, I am drawing wing liner on the upper eyelid. For this, I am using liner from e.l.f. Cosmetic. Next, I am applying white kajal on the waterline. For this, I am using white kajal from NYX Professional. Next, I will apply brown shade on the lower lash line. For this, I am using Morphe X AVANI GREGG palette. For this, I am using flat brush and blending brush from Morphe. Next, I will apply mascara on the upper lash and as well as lower lash. For this, I am using mascara from Maybelline. Next, I am highlighting my brow bone using Wet n Wild highlighter. Next, I am applying eyelashes from She Glam. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.